Number 1. Personalization. List segmentation. Separate lists for customers, hot prospects, former customers, etc. is a given, but will not be enough in 2022. Personalized emails, in terms of subject lines, body content, timing, and even the types of offers presented can, and should be developed to make each customer, or prospect feel like your only customer or prospect. Number 2. Privacy. Does it seem contradictory that recipients crave personalization, which comes from sharing personal data, and simultaneously demand privacy of information? Contradictory or not, recipients must be informed that their shared personal information is secure, and won't be hacked or sold to the highest bidder. Without strong privacy statements, click-throughs and conversions will disappoint. Number 3. AI. Email marketing services and management platforms will be leveraging AI like never before in 2022. The ability of AI to analyze data and interpret split tests helps companies manage lists, find the most effective subject lines and offers, and identify the best sending times, in a fraction of the time it would have taken a few years ago. In short, AI accelerates ramp-ups and ROI. Number 4. Interactive emails. Engaging recipients with surveys, polls, gamification, rollover imagery, and other content and design techniques turns passive readers into active and interested prospects. In addition, survey and poll results create social proof and provide messaging insights for use in future emails to improve open rates, center, and conversions. Number 5. Plain text emails. While interactivity and dazzling design work for some email campaigns, going to the other extreme with plain text has proven highly effective for others. Minimalism is a growing design trend for 2022 because it helps readers focus on the message. If you haven't tested plain text in your campaign, and/or have a very limited budget, the timing is right to give it a try. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs, to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I have got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, GetResponse. And it's completely free forever, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free and start making some real results.